Hi guys, welcome to another beautiful crochet episode with Queen, and today I'll be showing you how to make a one color bubble flower. You can accessorize with anything you like, just like you can see in the video. So grab your yarn and your hook and I'll see you in the tutorial. To begin, make a ring and chain 2. Remember, you can make your ring anyhow you want. The first 2 chains represent 1 single crochet. Now you walk 14 single crochet all around the ring. At the end, you should have 15 single crochet. Ensure the string is under the work as you go along. That string, ensure you hold it along. Now count your stitches to be sure you have 15. Remember, the first 2 chains count as 1 single crochet. There you go, 15 single crochet. Now close your work with a slip stitch. What you're going to do now is pull the string at the back of your work and close up the ring. Pull it gently and close up your ring. Now we go on to row 2. Make 6 chains. Count to be sure you have 6 chains. The first 3 chains represent your first double crochet, and the next 3 chains represents your chain 3 space. Skip 1 stitch and in the next stitch make 1 double crochet. So you have 6 chains to begin. The first 3 chains representing 1 double crochet, and the next 3 chains representing your chain 3 space. You skip 1 stitch, go to the next stitch and make 1 double crochet. Now let's continue. Chain 3, yarn over, skip 1 stitch, go to the next and make 1 double crochet. Chain 3 again, yarn over, skip 1 stitch, go to the next and make 1 double crochet. Repeat this process all around till the end, and I'll see you at the end. Remember, you can pause the video, rewind if you missed any step. To end this row, You chain 3, skip the last stitch. Now remember your first 6 chains. Now count 3, and on the 3rd chain insert your hook, yarn over, pull through and make a slip stitch to end this row. You should have 8 holes in all. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 holes. Now let's move on to row 3. Chain 4. Remember, your chain 4 is already on a double crochet. Go on the next double crochet and make a single crochet. For beginners, you can pick up your stitch marker and insert it right there to mark your work, so you can easily know where to insert. Chain 2, gently turn your work to the back, like that. Now that place where you have your chain 4 space, make 6 double crochet. Remember, you can pause and rewind if you miss any step. Count your stitches as you go. Once you're done, turn your work to the front. Now remember that double crochet where your first 4 chains were, just down below. Make 6 double crochet into that stitch. Yarn over, turn your work, put your hook right under the stitch, yarn over, pull your yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now make 6 double crochet into that stitch. Watch closely. Once you're done and you're sure you have 6 double crochet, release your work a little bit, lay it flat, and you'll see your work is already forming. Now insert your hook into the place where you have the stitch marker. Of course, you have to take your stitch marker out. Insert your hook there and make a slip stitch. Now our first part of the bubble flower is ready. Repeat this process again. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And into the next double crochet, make a single crochet. Insert your stitch marker in that same double crochet to mark your work. Chain 2. Turn your work to the back, and in the chain 4 space, make 6 double crochet. Remember to pause and rewind in case you miss any step. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now turn your work to the front, and in the double crochet below, make 6 double crochet right under the double crochet. Watch closely how I pass the hook under the double crochet. It's really easy. Take it slowly, one stitch at a time. Feel free to send me your work on my Instagram page at clovekids, that's CLOVEKIDS, and I'll be glad to receive them. Now you have 6 double crochet. Lay your work flat and into the stitch where your stitch marker is, make a slip stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through loop. Now our second bubble flower loop is ready. Now repeat the same process all the way around, and I'll see you at the end. We are at the last hole. Chain 4 again. Be careful at this point. So what you do is count 4 chains, and on the 5th stitch right there at the back of the very first bubble, make a single crochet. Repeat the same process. Chain 2, turn your work to the back. Now make 6 double crochet in the chain 4 space. Turn your work back and into the double crochet down below, make 6 double crochet again. Now insert your hook into that stitch at the back and make a slip stitch. To end, chain 1 and cut off your yarn. Pull tight so your knot will be tightly closed. Now pull the string at the back to fully close the ring. Now tightly secure your ends. However you want to do it, you can use a darning needle or any needle you have to pull your yarn through the stitches around. Or you can just do my style, easy and quick. Now your bubble flower is ready. Simply arrange it so the bubble can come out nice and sweet. I love this bubble flower. You can use it for brooch, you can use it as a hair clip, or you can use it as an accessory for a dress. To attach your accessory, use a gum, apply it at the middle and place your accessory, whatever accessory you have at all. Then at the back, you can attach your clip or a safety pin depending on what you want to use it for. You can use different colors as well, just like you have in the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.